In this video, we're going to show you what you can do if you can't follow people on TikTok. Let's start right away. We'll be showing you multiple different fixes to this problem, because there can be a lot of different causes and problems that can prevent you from following people. For example, you may follow somebody, but then that person automatically gets unfollowed, or you can get a pop-up message when you tap on that follow button that says, "You can't follow people right now," or something similar. One of the solutions to this problem is to go and clear your TikTok app cache files. We can do that by opening our TikTok application and then go over to your TikTok profile. After that, you want to tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Settings and Privacy. Once you get to the main settings page, simply scroll down and find an option that's called Free Up Space. That will open this page for you, and you can see that I have around 100 megabytes of cache. I can tap on Clear, then clear one more time, and my TikTok app cache files will be cleared, which is just what we need. You can then go back and try to follow that account which you wanted. This should fix your problem, and you should follow people without any issues. But if you still can't follow people, then what we recommend doing is to close and restart your TikTok application. So I'm using an iPhone, and what I'll do is to swipe from the bottom to the top until I open the app switcher, and then swipe on the app one more time in order to close it and remove it from the memory. And the next thing that you want to do is to simply open the app like you normally would. You now want to go and see if you can follow people on TikTok. If you cannot, then you may have followed too many people for a short period of time. So maybe you've followed 50, 100 or more accounts in a couple of hours or a shorter period, and you may have triggered some sort of AntiBot detection system. This will make TikTok think that you are a bot, or that your account may be controlled by a computer, so you will have to wait for 24 hours or even more before they will let you follow people from your account. So if you did follow a lot of people, then one of the solutions that we have for you is to wait one day, or maybe a little bit more, before you go and start following people once again. And if you have another TikTok account, then try and switch to that account. Or if you have another device like another mobile phone or another computer or laptop, then try and sign in with the same TikTok account like you're using right now and see if you can follow people on those different devices. The fifth solution, which I have for you, is related to our network and the connectivity. So you can open your control center on iPhone or whatever center you have on your Android device and then switch from a Wi-Fi connection to a cellular or mobile data. I'm currently connected to Wi-Fi, so I will disable this and then enable my mobile data. Sometimes a slow or unstable internet connection can cause these issues, so you can switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa if you're using your mobile data to connect to the internet. Find a good and stable Wi-Fi connection, connect to it, and then restart your TikTok application and see if you can go and follow people now. TikTok has a support article on this topic where they will give us a couple of solutions to this problem, and we're now going to open that support article. But even if that doesn't seem to solve the issue, then we're going to contact the TikTok team directly and work with them to solve the issue which we're having. What you want to do is to tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right and then go over to the Settings and Privacy section. Scroll all the way down and tap on this option called Report a Problem. The next step is to tap on this search bar where we want to type "cannot follow people." It will give us a couple of articles, and the one which we need is this "unable to follow a user." When you open that article on the support page, it will give you a couple of solutions like restarting your app, clearing the app cache, which we've shown you at the beginning of this video. They also advise us to update the TikTok app, so we have the latest version of TikTok installed on our device, as well as some other solutions and notes. So you want to read this carefully, go through the steps, and then see if this fixes your problem. And the last solution which I have for you is to go to the bottom of this page, and we can see a little section where it says, "Still now working? Please provide more details and a screen recording video of the problem." So what you want to do is to take a screenshot, or you can screen record the part where you try to follow people, and then you want to send that to the TikTok team. In order to send that video, you want to tap on the No option under the Is Your Problem Resolved right here, and then click on this Need More Help. It opened a chatbot for me, so I'll write what my problem is. It will give me some solutions. but I want to click on this Submit a Ticket. And that's going to open this little text box where I can explain my problem in more detail. I can write the specifics, and then I'll upload the screen recording and send it to the TikTok team. They will then answer me as soon as they see the message and respond, and I can work with them to solve my problem. But yeah, those are the solutions which I have for you, and hopefully some of them worked. If you have any more fixes to this problem, please leave them in the comments down below so we can help more people. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.